Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO Y22S. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to Settings. Go to Google Assistant, Voice Match and enable Hey Google function. Tap Next, Agree and Continue. Now, let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working. Let's go back.
Sure.
Enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 48 and a low of 34.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.